Hey guys, so widgets are really cool, and the how-tos actually aren't that hard with this system. So log into your system again, click on your properties, and we're going to go to the tools section right here. Okay, and if you scroll again down to the marketing section, we're going to click on the website links and sharing. Okay, now here's where we've got a whole list of all of the links and tools you can use to share these widgets. Okay, so the first section is your listing presentation. Say you want to set, and this is set up as its own website for the listing presentation. So a lot of times on Facebook or on LinkedIn or Twitter or anything like that, you can post links. If you want to post a link to your listing presentation, here it is. Here's the link address right there. Okay, standalone MLS compliant virtual tours. Some MLSs have compliance issues that we need to work with. In Utah, I don't believe that this is a problem at all. But if you want to check out some of the different virtual tours, you can look at those. And again, you can even use some of these just for a virtual tour of the property without other details. Okay, now here's the part that I really wanted to show you is the social networking. Okay, with one click, we're going to click on our Facebook right here, and you'll see you must be logged in to share content with your friends. So it'll ask us to log into Facebook right here. But if we do, it'll pull up the very standard Facebook to where you can either post that on your wall, you can email it as a friend or send it as a message, or add it to your profile. So very cool for Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, MySpace, RSS feeds. Those are some great things right there. Here's the link to the full website, so you can just have that whole link right there. Again, standalone virtual tours if you want to send out just the virtual tour on the property. And then here is the HTML code for the property widget. Now you can just basically take this code, copy it, and insert that into your blogs, your websites, and those type of things. If you're not familiar with that, you should check with whoever manages your blogs, but it's very easy to add these widgets to blog postings right there. Okay. And then this bottom section right here is a classifieds. This is really cool. We do a lot of postings on Craigslist. In fact, if we're not doing your postings for you, let us know and we'll get those taken care of. But if you come across any other classifieds that you'd like to post stuff on, you can go ahead and post the HTML code right here, right onto the classifieds. So here's an example of what this will look like. It pulls up, gives the whole property description. All of these links are active and everything, just like a regular website. So very cool. Also, if you're doing anything on Active Rain, here's the code that you want to use for your Active Rain blogs. Okay, again, just a really awesome feature that way. Okay, there's one other place where I wanted to go over widgets with you, and that is on the main Properties tab under Widgets. Okay, for those of you with websites that you'd like to create a website or to create a specific web page that shows and features all of your listing, this is where you can do that right here. Featured properties. Here you can set the options for your property. So we're going to click on View, and you can see that it's going to list all of the properties that you have, and they're all linked so that when they click on it, it's going to go to that property website. You can also create a property widget, much like back in the other options, but this widget is going to show all of the listings that you have. So you can scroll through each listing that you have, and it'll just rotate those. There's some features on here or options on here that you can edit. If you choose to modify, you can go through all properties sequentially, randomized. You can do a specific property that you'd like there. You can change the layout to a vertical or horizontal layout, display size, colors, and whatnot. You'll hit go, click on Get Code, and that'll give you the code for that widget. Now, a lot of people like to post these, view all of my properties on their websites or on their blogs, and this is where you'll get the code for that. All right, and this section is for the scrolling flash widget as well. So it'll just scroll through each of the properties again that you have right there. So wanted to show you those two areas for the how-tos. Again, onto the main properties tab, we're just going to click on widgets for those that you want to post on your web page. We're going to go to the tools section for the links and tools that you want to share yourself and also give to your sellers to use. Appreciate you stopping by. Have a great day.